Hi everybody, Brad McCullough here with ATS. Here I want to talk to you a little bit about overall equipment effectiveness, OEE. It's an industry standard, but not everybody understands it. So let's get right to it. I want to show you the components of overall equipment effectiveness: availability, productivity, and quality. Each of those can be measured and turned into a percentage. And when you multiply each of those percentages, you come up with the actual overall equipment effectiveness of plan. So let's look at the math real quick. Availability is measured in hours. Say in the denominator you want to run an 8-hour shift and the machines were available, or your machine, 7 hours. That's 87.5% availability. And then in productivity, you take the availability, the 7, and you put it in the denominator, and you say, let's say the cycle time is 1 per hour. So productivity, I produced 6 units in 7 hours when I should have produced 7. So 6 over 7 is 85.7%. And then I take the 6 units and I put it in the denominator for quality, and I produced 5 good units. So 5 divided by 6 is 83.3%. When you multiply these three percentages, you come up with 62.5% overall equipment effectiveness, which means that roughly in a schedule of supposed to run 8, I ran 6.2 units during that 8-hour shift. So you can look and see that we fell short of our goal, of course. Now the important thing about OEE isn't so much the percentage, but it's really when you understand availability, productivity, and quality, it's understanding the losses and where your losses are and how you drive root cause fixes. So that's overall equipment effectiveness. It's an important tool, and even if you don't measure it specifically, you can really study these categories and understanding where your losses are. So if you're running a manufacturing plant and it's supposed to produce 100 units in a time period per shift, whatever, and it produces 60, then you're at 60% OEE, and the next step is to figure out where you're at, where the losses are, and fix those. Real important tool, very easy to use, but that's the overall concept and the math, and we'll get into more details at a later date. Thanks, I hope this video helped you. Feel free to contact me at ATS, bmccullough@advancedtech.com. That's advancedtech with a TECH.com. Be glad to help you. Thanks, have a good day.